I'm going to clean these up a bit so that the thread's a lot cleaner before I undo them. From there to there, it's gotten a bit looser now, as you can tell. Probably couldn't see it before from the other side, but you can now. It's gotten a lot easier. What the nuts is, that's the nut. $74, about 74 millimeters. They should come up pretty good. But I'm just going to put the primer coat on now, and then I'll need to sand that primer coat to get it a bit better again, just fill some of the highs and lows. And this stuff went on a lot thicker than the other stuff, and it would seem that when it comes to sanding, you end up with a lot more. So far I'm I'm swinging towards this primer that I'll put onto these ones. So far, seemed to, when I was sanding it, there was a lot more there, and this tin, the tin of this stuff was like a litre, and I've used that whole lot. A smidgen left over for little touch-ups here and there and that, but I've actually used the whole tin. Squirt some of the soapy water around here just to make sure that it stays slippery and goes on easier. Yeah, just gotta get this last one, then I can pop some air into it and put it on. Give it a bang. This block of wood might help. Pop. Alright, now let's get some air in it and put it on. I'll just tighten these nuts up with the vice grips for now, and I'll go back around with the socket and give them an extra tweak once it's down the ground. So I'm just in behind the wheel here, you probably can't see me, but I'm taking the axle stand out. And then I'm just going to lower the jack down. And of course the axle stand from the other side. And then this side down. Alright, down we go. Oh, what's happened? Yeah, the jack won't go down. It started to, and then it stopped and locked up. What? Okay, so I've grabbed the trusty orange jack that I've had for a while. I'm just going to use that to jack the tractor up now to relieve it off of the big jack that I thought would have been a good one. There we go. This thing, look, stuck. Won't go down. Anyway, there she goes. Down she comes. Okay, so there's still a few things that I've got to do. I need to get the tractor back together and going. But I've got to tidy up these wires a bit. I'll probably just take them up for now and throw the seat back on. Because I've got some mowing and spraying and things like that that I really need to catch up on. So yeah. Quickly go around and I'll tweak the nuts all and then fire her up, and I hope to see you on the next episode. See you next time.